Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today video I wanna share what I ate at the Filipino market. Also I met really good Filipinos. Okay, anyway, check it out! Hello! What is this?
Lumpia.
Lumpia! Oh, what is this?
Gucci.
This is Filipino food?
Yes. Gucci.
Oh,
Cheese.
cheese.
Flavor.
Oh,
Munggo.
oh,
Flavor.
delicious?
Delicious.
Oh, really? Oh, how much is this?
12.
12.
12 pesos. 5.
One piece, please. Hello.
How many?
Just the one.
One.
Yeah, because I want to try all
Yes.
city food. Yeah.
Yes.
And
One.
yes, of course. 1.7. Okay.
Yes. 3 pesos.
Thank you.
Vinegar.
Vinegar?
Yes.
Yeah, little. Oh, thank you.
Oh. Very hot.
Very hot?
Yes.
Oh, I was excited. Finally, I tried. I love string roll, so that's why I was satisfied. On the outside, really crispy. Can you guys see the smoke from the food? Very hot. Really hot!
Oh, very hot.
Also, inside, it was soft.
Yummy.
You know what? It's really chewy and savory inside. Hello!
Tastes like bibimbap.
My bro!
Hi.
Hello! I think Filipino seems to have a lot of fried food. It's suddenly raining again. It's raining, so now I'm just a keep Costa. I really wanting to this video for a while now, but actually I don't have a opportunity to come to here. So now it's time to try to street food, but it's raining. That's worse. Maybe now raining is stopped, so I try again. I wanna find kwek, but I couldn't find at the time. What is it?
Carioca. It's made of glutinous rice.
Inside the egg? No.
It's not nice.
Hello, is there any kwek? Kwek. Kwek. Thank you. This is kwek?
Wait.
Oh my god, I really wanting to eat them. How much is it? 20? Can I eat here? Thank you. Which one is better? Bigger and
The bigger one.
Just only one?
yeah, because I'm just trying.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Oh my god. Wow, so big. Right? Oh my god. Wow, so big.
Are you an influencer? Do you have a YouTube
그리고
channel? What's your YouTube channel?
찰리. Give the phone. I'll text you. Wow. You want
When
to
did
be
you start
sooner?
vlogging?
Oh, you do?
Ano? I just love watch people who vlog.
Really? Okay, I will text you.
your nationality by the way?
I'm South Korea.
Oh, you're from South Korea?
Yeah.
You know, I love K-pop too.
Oh, really?
I don't love you.
Really? Thank
Do
you.
you know TNX?
This is me. Subscribe me. Oh, thank you.
By the way, you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Yepo?
This one so yummy. Inside is really soft and egg is really good. But actually, when I saw that, I feel really soft and really I love it. Hello. I want to get just the one. It's okay? Just the one? How much is it? Just the one?
10.
Small one. 10? I want to get it. Yeah.
This is banana like you.
Wow. So sweet, right? It's crazy.
You know what? My subscriber recommend me to eat this food. If you like sweet banana dessert, I want to highly recommend to try it. Of course, I love sweet things.
Money?
Yes, money.
Wait.
God bless.
Yeah. Bye bye. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello. Hello. Oh, B. Hello. Oh my God. Oh, it's so great. I want to buy some clothes. So, yeah, which is better?
Can I join?
Oh, of course. Come here. Yeah, come here.
One of my friends.
Oh my God.
Real. Hello.
Hey, hello. Oh, my name? Kelly.
Kelly.
Yeah.
I'm Ellen. I'm
Kelly.
Ellen. This one is sexy.
Sexy.
Yeah.
It's good for you.
Oh my God. Oh really? Okay. Oh, I see. Okay.
This one.
This one is good. Oh my God.
Sexy.
너무 sexy. Too much sexy. Too much sexy.
This
So much
one
sexy.
color is nice for you.
Oh my God. Thank you. Okay. I have to look around. Oh. Hello. Wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah, how much is it? 80?
380.
380. I don't have much money. How about this? How about this?
380.
380?
Yes.
Hello. Oh? Hello. Cute and but expensive. Hello. Yeah.
Hi, vlog.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I upload this. Okay.
What's your channel?
Oh, channel Kelly. Oh.
Beautiful.
Bye bye. Now I'm a little bit confusing because this lady is stuck. Oh, where is my umbrella? I'm lost. I don't remember where I leave my umbrella. But actually, the review is finished. I really wanting to be make this video for a while now, but I don't have a time to take a video in here. But all thing is really nice because I ate 3 kinds of the food. It's Philippine food, but it's all of thing is really sweet and not too salty. Yeah, so that's why I feel like really satisfying about them. Actually, I really excited, enjoy the street food, and I can immerse street food so much. Yeah. Bye bye. Finally finished.